In front of me is Google Pixel 9 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. Then use the switcher at the top right corner to activate it, and to use it, go back. Now you need to copy or cut any text. And to paste it right away, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on Clipboard. Sorry, misclick. And tap on your text over here. You can always pin it by tapping on this pen at the top right corner, selecting your text and choosing pin icon. To unpin it, do exactly the same. If you wish to delete it, click on the pen again, select your text and use Delete button. Lastly, to disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!